Yeah, man!
Hello, my name is Miguel, and today I'm gonna make for you beetroot condensed milk drink. You're gonna need beetroot, condensed milk, nutmeg, water. Visit JAMAICADinners.com for the recipe. I am using half-pound beetroot. Get ready to peel beetroot. Get piece newspaper to place the waste on. I know it's tempting to just peel it. However, first, wash beetroot. Pour enough water in a bowl. Add several drops of distilled white vinegar in the water. Now, use your fingers. Rub the skin of the beetroot, removing dirt. Give beetroot a final rinse. It's best if you do this part on the fresh running water. After that, get a sharp knife. A paring knife. A paring knife is best. Peel beetroot. Peel beetroot thin to the skin. Meaning you don't want to peel off and waste too much of the beetroot. So you just want to peel off the skin only. If you're not using blender, the alternative way to remove the juice from beetroot is to get a grater. Use the finest part of the grater. After peeling beetroot, grind it to puree. After that, add water. Let it sit for a few minutes and then strain it through a fine mesh strainer. Next, dice beetroot. Put peeled beetroot on chopping board. Chop or cut beetroot in half. Cut long strips. Hold the strips together. Cut small cubes. This is what you want. This is 1 cup diced beetroot, raw beetroot. Get ready to blend beetroot. Use a clean cloth. Wipe the condensed milk thin clean. Open condensed milk. If you're doing it like me, cut away from you. Use a tin opener. Open condensed milk. I'm gonna need this cup. Measure 2 cups of water. Get 2 cups of water ready. Get your blender ready. Ensure the blender is on properly. Pour water into the blender's jar. And then add diced beetroot. Add nutmeg. Grind 1/4 teaspoon nutmeg. use the blender's lid, cover the blender properly. Blend it 2 minutes on high speed. Allow. I am mixing the drink in this jar just to say, if you lack fiber, you don't have to strain this drink. You can just sweeten it, mix it, and drink it. After the time, turn the blender off. Look at that. The motor from the blender is making that move. You know, it almost frightened me just now. In my head, I was like, what art? Get a fine mesh strainer ready. Remove the lid. Pour blended beetroot and water juice through the strainer into the jar. And get something to place the waste in ready. Allow it to drain. Use a spoon. Separate the juice from the fiber. Use a spoon. Press on the fiber in the strainer. Squeeze the juice out. Doing this helps the juice to flow faster. Good enough. Throw this away. Continue doing this until it's finished. Until you're finished straining. This waste that I'm throwing away is fiber. It's good for you just the same. Eating fiber helps with your bowel. If you lack fiber, you don't have to strain this drink. You can just sweeten it, mix it, and drink it. Next, add condensed milk. Measure and add 2 tablespoons of condensed milk. Mix in the condensed milk with the blended beetroot juice and water. Mix well. That's it. We're finished. This is it. Cover jar. Keep it in the refrigerator between 5 days. You may freeze it for 3 months or more. To serve beetroot condensed milk drink, get a glass. Add ice. Before you pour the drink, shake it well. Mix it in before you pour the drink. This is Beetroot Condensed Milk Drink. Visit JamaicaDinners.com for the recipe. Subscribe, like, and share. You should try mixing this drink for yourself. Give us feedback when you do. The flavor is earthy. It tastes like the brown ground. By adding milk, it's drinkable. This drink is healthy for you. Nevertheless, it lowers blood pressure. Be mindful. Therefore, if you're healthy, you don't need to be drinking beetroot. Go watch Beetroot Coconut Milk Drink. Until next time, bye. Yeah, man!